In this video, I'll show you how to change your email on Facebook in just a few simple steps. If you want to update the email connected to your Facebook account, you can easily do it from the account settings. This is useful if you no longer use your old email or want to switch to a new one. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, open Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap on Personal Details, then tap Contact Info. Here you'll see the email addresses connected to your Facebook account. To change your email, tap Add New Contact, choose Email Address, and enter the new email you want to use. Facebook will send a verification code to the new email. Enter the code to confirm it. Once the new email is added, tap on it and select Make Primary to set it as your main email. After that, you can remove the old email if you no longer want it linked to your account. And that's it. That's how you can change your email on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.